Alrighty, guys, let's review DJT. With Trump becoming the president here, this is one of the stocks that we should keep our eyes on, right? So DJT has had a really nice turnaround from this $11 zone, and it just had a massive run up. The first thing that I see is a really nice uptrend here. If you go to the weekly chart, it's very easy to see we had a switch in trends. We were downtrending here. When the minute you see all the EMAs stacked up, you have the EMA 5, 10, 20, and then this is the 50 here. But the minute you see we're way above these EMAs, where you had this massive move here, you have a switch of trends. And where does price react? Where does the algos look, for a pullback? Look at this. To a T, we pull back to this bottom EMA and we start switching up. So on the weekly channel, it looks really good because now we're starting to see the 5 should be the top, the 10, and then the 20 and the 50. Everything looks amazing here. Absolutely amazing. And if we go to the daily chart, you can see why was this such an awesome play here? Look at this. And keep in mind at the daily chart, if you see price hitting this upper band, that is a sell zone. I actually look to short these areas for a correction to these EMAs. And you can see up in here, we went from 54, we hit this EMA 10, had a little bounce, and then we come back down to this reversion to the mean. So that's really what it is. It's a reversion to the mean. So when you see a daily chart here, we come all the way back down, crashing down close to this EMA 50, we get this nice little bounce effect area, right? All the way up in here, it was a 57% gain, right? It was absolutely beautiful. Then we come all the way back down, hitting this 50 to a T, and then having that bounce again. And that's really how I like to play these. 55% gain, 20% gain. And you can see constant, if, 17%, and you would have had a little drawdown against you right in here. Not too shabby. And you can see how we keep retesting it back up here. But I like to trade based on the weekly. It gives you more of a solid signal here. You can see like to a T here when it hits these areas here. You have a little drawdown, but it's not too much where you can get a little stronger signal from this area here. It's not too bad. And that's what I look for. But I do want to see that EMA 50 to be the very bottom here. So this is really where the most important thing here. You can kind of see, yeah, this looks extremely bullish, right? I would like to see, maybe back to this 20 if it does ever get to, right in here is going to be your demand zone, right? This is going to be an awesome thing. And like I said, I've been back testing a lot. The strategy works a lot. This is a very nice strategy. It's insane. I've been doing it for a while. I've been adding little things to it as the market goes. I'm really liking the weekly and the daily time frame. It's really awesome for swing trades. Any other time frames I don't really use. I like this. Maybe in the future I might add some more, but this really gives you these precise entries here. Up in here, you hit this HU4. This is my Keltner channel, and when price gets down here, I look for a buy zone. You can see if I ever do trade against the trend, you can see the EMA 50 is at the very top here. So we know price is going to go back to the EMAs with time distance, and you can see how price comes. But we want to make sure we buy if it's trading against the trend at the green, and if we're shorting it, we want to look for price to be at this red. Doesn't mean you just automatically short it because you would have got wrecked here just for it to go up, more. But it would have went, with your favorite. So, but that's why I say look for time distance. This only had one EMA 5 time distance. You see how you hit this EMA 5? And price comes back to this EMA 5 very fast, but you only had 1 day, 2 day here. I wouldn't have shorted this, to be honest. But yeah, I really like this setup here. Very volatile stock, got lots of volumes. With Trump being president, if anything's going to make us nice, solid uptrend, DJT is looking really good. I think we can get back into this levels here. Maybe we can start to head back, where the IPO prices were way up in here. I mean, either way, take the gains as they present. This is a nice solid uptrend. You can kind of see where we're starting to form here. We had this nice, beautiful weekly coming up here, coming crashing back down to these EMAs. And that's really if you look at the Fibonacci retracement here, you had this big move up, you come back halfway through here, and then you go back up. So I'm very bullish on it. I don't see anything. If you're not bullish on it, I don't know what to say. I mean, you got Trump being president. You got all the EMA showing very big strong. You have a weekly channel. You have the weekly uptrend. You have the daily uptrend. It's looking absolutely insane, and I'm loving this. Loving this price action here. Absolutely loving it. I'd be all over this once I see it dips. Obviously, I'm not going to buy it up in here just for it. If it does reverse back to the EMA 10, that's a 14%. loss here, and then to the 20, that's a 17. So all throughout this zone here, and of course you can go a little under like it did here, is my buy signal. Okay, guys, that's my buy signal. And this is honestly technical analysis that works. It keeps you consistent. It makes you not have FOMO because I love the retest patterns. I want to see a breakout. Do I want to just immediately buy the breakout? Just no. I want to see it. Let it play out, and then I want to see it retest. Let the algos, the institutions are going to use these areas for buy zones. I know a lot of people don't use the weekly candle, but I encourage you, if you want more consistent trades, if you want to be more confident, the weekly candle is insane. Give it a try. You can even go to the monthly. I don't use it as much, but you can look at the monthly too. We are in an uptrend on the monthly. You can very clearly see how precise this when he got close to this EMA 50. This was a very big on the monthly. It's showing we are in a bullish uptrend too, and you can see every time we hit this 50 here. Look how precise this is. The algos see these areas, right? You see the 50 here, up. See the 50 here, up. See the 50 here, up. It's awesome, guys. It really is. All right, guys, this is my analysis on DJT. If you guys want to join the Discord, I'm going to be learning plays just like this, plays that I find. I scan thousands of stocks. It takes a lot of time because there's no thing that's going to, on TradingView that's going to pop up, hit buy, hit sell. There's a lot of effort that you got to put into this. You got to look at the news. You got to look at the environment. And like I said, Trump being president, this is going to have a lot of money flowing in it. When these revert to the mean, you need to have your buy power ready as this is going to be good. I'm not trading it for the company. I'm trading it for the momentum. This is a momentum type of play. I'm trading it for an uptrend. I know algos are going to be all over this. So I really feel really confident in this. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, hit the link down below in YouTube comments below. And in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It takes you to this free chat landing page. Doesn't mean you're a member yet. If you want to become a member, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts here, and you'll get access to the swing trades and day trades for only $12 a month. It's going to be awesome. I think you guys are going to really like it. It's very affordable, very cheap. You're not going to have to spend lots of money to get these plays. And if that's too much, you can hit swing trade alerts, and that will be only $6 a month, But you can read about my services here on the server shop or service descriptions on how to trade like a pro. But basically, if you want both services, it's $12 for day trades and swing trades. You'll get my day trading education, my swing trading education, my live streams. Pretty much all the channels will be unlocked for $12 a month. And if you can't make $12 a month doing this strategy, you can cancel anytime. But I will assure you though that you're going to be very confident in your trades. You're going to learn a lot. I am going to alert. I can give you kind of an example how I alert these on the swing trade alerts. I give you exact price I'm looking to buy and tell you what I'm looking to do and all that. But it's mainly you kind of want to know why I'm buying it. I'm giving you a solid video on why I'm doing it. And, in this example, I'm telling you guys why I'm doing it and all that. But I look at different time frames. I try to see what time frame makes sense. Obviously, higher the time frame, the higher the value signal is. So when you're swing trading, you need to look at least a daily and above. And that's, this is going to give you that framework of higher signals and all that. Day trade, obviously, you look at intraday time frames like 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15 minute. And I teach you guys all that. So hope you guys enjoy this. Hope you guys like this analysis. I love DJT. I'm very bullish on it. On these dips, buy them all. But obviously wait for the proper dips too. So hope to see you guys in the Discord. Happy trading, guys. Let's make some money. All right, peace out.